I'm just going for a quick little rip to test some things out. First, I got to get up this bank. This lot isn't exactly snow machine friendly, so luckily it's softening up here above the inversion, and shouldn't be too big of a problem as long as I don't tip left. I kind of just stamped out a little bit of a bench for me. That wasn't a good sound. I didn't commit to it fully. Yes, I made it. First obstacle of the day. Okay, what I'm testing is the clutch. I think my clutch discs, my friction discs are starting to go. Yeah, I think they are. So I just came out here for a quick rip just to test that out. Yeah, I'm revving a little too much. Well, the snow is soft, but not too soft. A Snowbike track down there? It is. Someone's already been defiling this. Alright, so it's just starting to soften up out here. I'm not fully convinced it's the clutch. Yeah, it's not working right. Should be getting more reaction. Well, I was spinning out on that ice. Not feeling right. Alright, good thing I ordered up some new discs. Should be here in the mail today. I'll tear into my clutch tonight. The other thing might be that the might just be that the recluse has gone out of adjustment. Let me try that. Alright, I need to do a little camera maintenance. Things are different since last time I've been up here. No wonder it's died. Too much snow. Okay. Alright, this is going to be a fail, or actually mission accomplished, because I was coming to check my clutch and either the recluse is out of adjustment or just the friction discs are fried. I've put a ton of miles on, so you can hear it just revving too much. I'm getting no power out of it, so I got enough to get me back home, so I'm gonna call that good. Get it in the shop, pull apart the clutch, get it ready for hopefully maybe I'll be out tomorrow. Wow, this is rough stuff. Gotta make it off this hill. I thought maybe it was just the oil going bad. I really stretched it too far on that last trip. I should have changed out partway through. The oil was hideous when I emptied it out, and I thought maybe just some fresh oil might solve some things, but definitely did not. Alright, well, not a fun ride, but I just came up for testing. I'm going to get the skis on, take my lumps with the 2 sticks on the feet. This isn't going to be great skiing either. Gotta get past these Boy Scout caves. That's a good angle. Did it.